this video, I'll show you how you can install Roblox on your PC or your laptop. Now the first step is you can go over to roblox.com and create an account. In here, select any game. Let's just choose this one, and then press on the big green button. Now once you press on this button, it will give you the option to download the game if you haven't downloaded it already. Now the second option is simply head over to Google and search for download Roblox and choose the first one. In here there should be a big download app button, and you can simply press on this to download it. Now the last one is come down here and search for Microsoft Store right here. Open it up, and from in here search for Roblox, and there should be a free one that you can simply install from here. So those are the three ways that you can install Roblox. Keep in mind, all of them are free and all of them are simple. Downloading it from here and from here is actually the same one, just different methods. But if you download it from the Microsoft Store, it's getting downloaded from Microsoft instead of from the website. So keep in mind, if you have any issues with one of them, let's say you cannot download from the website, just try from the store. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.